Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Optimizely for A/B testing landing pages UX, beginner guide step by step clearly. Look for the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the button to initiate the subscription process. You will be directed to a sign-up page where you'll find several options. Choose the plan that best fits your needs as a beginner. Once you've selected a plan, you'll need to create an account. Enter your email address and create a secure password. After filling in your details, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email from Optimizely. Check your inbox for that email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. After verifying, return to the Optimizely website and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the option to create a new project for A/B testing. Click on Create Project to start a new A/B testing campaign. You'll need to name your project and provide a brief description. Set up the parameters for your landing page tests. Follow the prompts to enter the variations you wish to test. Optimizely will guide you through setting up the specifics of each variation. Once everything is set up, review your project settings for accuracy. When satisfied, click on Launch Experiment to initiate your A/B test. Monitor your project through the dashboard to analyze the data collected. Use the insights gained to make informed decisions for optimizing your landing pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.